I'm a student of AC Global Academy. I'm proud to be a part of this academy because the learning that I got from here is what really a manager required in today's competitive environment. That is customer centricity.
The most important thing for a participant going for a business environment, that is the practical part. Everybody learns in the classroom, the theory parts, everything. The theories, the equations, everybody learns. But the most important thing is that one should learn from the practicals, how you will execute the things within the organization. So we learn here that the same thing.
Then I guess the 11 months have trained me in a way where now I can take my own decisions, go out on myself and decide for myself. No, even my dad, my mom, and whoever it's been, they can confide in me and tell that if at all I take a decision, it is going to be good after a lot of thinking, being logical, practical, rational, and whatever. So I'm just very happy that I have joined.
This is a very emotional moment for me because like whatever I thought when I came here on the first day, that was different, and today what I am thinking is somewhat different. I thought it would be very difficult for me to pass this 1 year, but on the verge of completing this 11 months, exact 11 months, I feel that these 11 months are very short period of time to me. I got very good opportunities over here. I started my own venture with my retailing participants and colleagues, that is Qmart. These all opportunities were given by our Nagendra V. Chaudhary sir.
Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar Sahu. I am from Lucknow. I learned here a lot of important courses during 11 months, which like LEP, SQC, COPC.
I think Aegis Global Academy is a wonderful part of my life. It transformed me into a different individuality. When I came here, I was a different personality. Now, I have done so many things. I have learned so many different things in the last 11 months, and I think wherever I will go in various organizations, now I can surely say that I will make the difference. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sneha Nikrit. I'm an analytics student here. It was my great honor to study in this academy. After completing of 11 months of course over here, now I have grown up personally and professionally, and I'm ready to accept any challenges from corporate life.
This course gives 65% practical and 35% theory. And the more important part of this academy is 65% practical. Whatever we learn in the class, that we are able to apply on the field. And that is what I want actually in my life, to have an experience and exposure that would help me and to grow, enhance my future.
Came here with lots of questions because I was working in the industry for a few years, BPO industry, and I was really having many questions because this institute gave a quotation stating 65% of practical, 35% of theory and all. I was a bit confused. How are they going to make a difference in teaching in a practical manner? But it came to when we opened our Qmart, right? Okay, learning through practical exposure, and it was really a very good experience. Creating a call center on your own, working on it, and struggling to get a project, real life project, which we actually did there, and we have got a live project also, which was really interesting.
So before joining this academy, it was a very hard decision for me also. But now I don't regret because whatever kind of job that I was looking out for after completing this course is what I have got, and I'm really happy. A bit of sadness is there today because it's been the last day with you all guys, an official last day, and after that, after a couple of days, we'll be off to our workplaces. So it's been an awesome journey throughout. Learned a lot of things from the faculty and from you all. Actually, what happened is when I came for the first day, I also had the same feeling. Because
exactly.
I thought I would be the oldest guy and all young people would be there, but I was very happy when I saw Sarkar. I thought, okay.
Besides experience and knowledge, what I like the most is the environment. The environment in which you are treated as managers from the day one, right? Which is going to stay with me throughout my life in whatever I do and wherever I go. Today I can say with pride that this is the best time of my life.
Hi, my name is Zishan and I'm from Kashmir. Before coming to the college, I was like any other student, having no goals in my life. wandering here and there. But after coming to this place, I came to know that life is all about having goals and working toward the achievement of those goals.
Before joining academy, I thought education is all about getting degrees. Or you can say it's about collecting a bunch of certificates. But now I realized and I believe that it's not about collecting degrees, it's about changing your way of thinking. And I guess I have got my way from this academy. Thank you.